Excel assignment number 11. So using lookup table, that's an icon B. Okay, so using the lookup table, you want to calculate the different discount. We will do each product. So change a few discount the first lookup table to check the formula works. So pakita ko na to ang quadri ang back discount niya naka-base sa purchase quantity. Discount back discount sa naka-base sa purchase quantity. So 5 pieces purchase, 2.5% discount. So 10 pieces purchase, 5% discount, 15%, 7.5% discount, and so on. So first dito sa A4 maunipakita na itong discount. Type na to ang VLOOKUP. So VLOOKUP, then ang pakita na to kuan quantity sa March. So C4, then underscore comma. So ang ihang lookup value table array will be this part right here, quantity. So up to there is 11, and then ang number 2, which is the price table ganito number 2. Ano po statement to be true, multiply sa D4. Okay. D4, let's enter.